Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, MoonRiver. We're currently having a relief in the altcoin market and MoonRiver has been pumping to the upside. But is this just a dead cat bounce or are we setting ourselves up for one more dump to Goblin Town? Has MoonRiver started a new bull run? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the MoonRiver US dollar price chart on the 3-day time frame. We'll be taking a look at MoonRiver's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then we'll take a look at MoonRiver's market cap, which is currently around the $500 million region. Then we'll take a look at MoonRiver's market cap, which is currently around $51 million. How high can MoonRiver's market cap go in this relief rally? Can we cross the $100 million region? Maybe just maybe pump as high as $300 million before the end of the rally. If a new bull run has started for MoonRiver, how high can MoonRiver go before the end of the next bull run? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
With the altcoin market starting 2023 on a very bright note, altcoins have been pumping to the upside. MoonRiver is up more than 25% in the last 1 month. In the last 1 week, it went up 15%. If you go on the yearly time frame, altcoins are still down in Goblin Town, including MoonRiver. We've seen MoonRiver lose more than 88.7% of its value on a yearly time frame. This is the MoonRiver US dollar price chart on the 3-day time frame. We've seen MoonRiver go from as high as $500 at the top of the previous bull run. MoonRiver has dumped to as low as $5.96 in this bear market, going down 98.8% in the bear market. Guys, MoonRiver has done exactly what other altcoins do in the bear market. The dump to Goblin Town. Altcoins are very volatile when the market is in a bearish mode. But when the market starts pumping to the upside, when we see altcoins having a new bull run, we will recover all the losses we make in the bear market. And that's why we like altcoins. Even though they can dump to Goblin Town, they can also pump to the moon. And for MoonRiver to get to new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run, if a new bull run has started for MoonRiver, MoonRiver will have to pump more than 7,500% to the moon. But guys, let's not get carried away by this little pump we're seeing to the upside. MoonRiver has deceived us numerous times as we're dumping to Goblin Town. We first saw MoonRiver had a little bounce here, it's a 7% bounce. We continue dumping to Goblin Town. MoonRiver had another bounce in March 2022 where it went up 111%. But that was not the bottom. We continued dumping to Goblin Town again, which saw MoonRiver go from the $93 level, getting to as low as $9.8, losing 89% of its value in 78 days. Then we got another bounce again after June 2022 that saw MoonRiver rally up 108%. But guys, that was not the bottom. We were just setting ourselves up for one final dip to the downside, and we have seen MoonRiver go from that $20 region getting to as low as $6.1. So is MoonRiver just playing us right now? We've seen it pump to as high as the $8.5 region. If MoonRiver will repeat what we've been seeing it do since when we started dumping to Goblin Town, MoonRiver might face some resistance at that $10 region, and that resistance might push us down to new all-time lows, might push us down to Goblin Town. But if MoonRiver continues pumping to higher prices, that first $10 region is going to be a very critical level. If we're starting a new bull run, you don't expect MoonRiver to just start pumping to new all-time highs. You expect some dumps along the way. You expect us to face some resistance after the $10 region. The $20 region has some major resistance at that level. We saw MoonRiver get rejected at the $20 region in August 2022. So we might even rally up to that $20 region, get rejected, and continue dumping to Goblin Town. 2023 is a great year of accumulation. We've seen MoonRiver gone through the first phase of the bear market, and that phase is where you see dumping to Goblin Town. So maybe just maybe the bottom is in right now. Maybe just maybe MoonRiver is in that second phase of a bear market where we should begin our accumulation aggressively, getting ready for the next bull run. By the end of the next bull run, a lot of millionaires would have been made, but those millionaires would have had to invest deep in this crypto bear market. Those millionaires would have had to be buying steadily when we're down in Goblin Town. Guys in the market, you want to buy when there's huge pessimism in the market, and you want to be selling optimism when the market is pumping to the upside. But remember not to get carried away as you're accumulating deep in the bear market. We're going to have some rallies to the upside. We're also going to have some dumps to the downside. You can't perfectly time the top or the bottom, but for best maximum optimal accumulation in the bear market, dollar cost averaging will be a very good method. Because guys, if you are buying deep in the bear market slowly but surely, when the bottom comes in, you have still bought some because you're dollar cost averaging, and after the bear market is over or pumping to new highs, you see that you have had a very average price. Maybe your total accumulation on price point would have been around the $8 level, or maybe even lower than that. And from where MoonRiver is currently trading right now, by the end of the next bull run, MoonRiver will have to rally up more than 5,000% if it's to go from the $8 level to as high as $490, where it was trading in September 2021. If you take a look at MoonRiver's performance in the last 1 year, MoonRiver has gone from as high as $115 to as low as $6.02. So guys, remember, you want to dollar cost average and have some capital on the side so that if the bottom is not in, you still have some money to buy some when we get to those lower prices. MoonRiver has a market cap of $51 million, a fully diluted market cap of $90 million, a circulating supply of 6.1 million tokens out of a total supply of 10.6 million tokens. Currently ranked 372 on CoinMarketCap, we have 143,000 people that have MoonRiver on their watch list. While we want to get some MoonRiver for yourself in the bear market as we're getting ready for another bull run. MoonRiver is an Ethereum-compatible smart contract parachain on Kusama. It's intended to be a companion network to Moonbeam, where it will provide a permanent incentive canary network. New codes will ship to MoonRiver first, where it can be tested and verified under real economic conditions. Once proven, the same code will ship to Moonbeam on Polkadot. If you want to get some MoonRiver for yourself in the bear market, as we're getting ready for another bull run, you can get some MoonRiver on Binance, on KuCoin, on OKX, on Git.io, on Bybit or Huobi, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Guys, if you take a look at MoonRiver's performance against Bitcoin, we're still setting new lows in the bear market. Even though we expect MoonRiver to outperform Bitcoin by the end of the next bull run, MoonRiver has been dumping to gobbling town against Bitcoin in these bear markets. MoonRiver has lost more than 96.76% of its value against Bitcoin the last 500 days in this bear market. Guys, the bottom might be in for MoonRiver against Bitcoin, but we shouldn't expect huge pumps to the upside anytime soon. I believe we'll see MoonRiver pumping to new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run against Bitcoin. And for MoonRiver to do that, it will have to rally up around 2,800% against Bitcoin to the upside. But in 2023, we might see it spending majority of the year going to the upside first. After this relief rally, we might now see it going sideways or even dumping to gobbling town. In the bear market, all coins are known to be very volatile against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if you take a look at MoonRiver's performance against Ethereum also in this bear market, we've continuously been setting lower lows and we've seen it drop to a new all-time lows. But 2023 has started on a very bright note. We're pumping to the upside. But let's be very careful, guys. This might just be a dead cat bounce and we might be setting ourselves up for one final dump back to gobbling town. If you take a look at MoonRiver's market cap, currently at the $50 million region, we have seen the market cap even drop to as low as $36 million in this bear market. MoonRiver's market cap went from as high as $1 billion in November 2021. We have seen it dump to gobbling town, losing around 96% of its value down to as low as $36 million. As we're rallying up to the upside, MoonRiver might face some resistance around the $100 million region. If we face some resistance there will be a huge possibility of MoonRiver either coming back to the $36 million region or even setting new lows in this bear market. Remember, guys, there's no guarantees that the bottom might be in. This might just be a dead cat bounce as we're pumping to the upside. So let's not get too excited. Let's continue dollar cost averaging in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run. When it comes to investing, time is your friend. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1.